Okay, my bad. I forgot to put the green onion in the photo spread of the ingredients, so there you go. Make sure you get that guy in there. In a small to medium-sized bowl, in no particular order, you're just going to mix all your ingredients. So you've got your Vegenaise mayo, egg-free mayo, some chili sauce, it gives it a little zing. Dill pickle relish, your green onion, not to be forgotten, green onion. Yellow onion. Black pepper, salt, paprika, and just stir it all up like so. And you're going to want to chill it for a couple hours. Combine all the ingredients, get all that flavor just so. And there it is, ready to consume. Enjoy. Delicious. Enjoy.